Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Northside Bob. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but picked up this Exmont, brand new in the box, just today, as you can see right there, taped, still brand new, never been opened. So you see, it's a Nissan 2006 Exmont truck. Never been opened, never used. Picked it up today. I'm not sure if I want to go back to Exmont, but I don't know. I'll probably don't use it. Keep it in the box. That's all. And I picked up this new one too. Got it in the deal. Oops. I think without, yeah. So yeah, I picked it up and it's still brand new, still in box. So yeah, it's a quick video. Just new Exmont. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back and trade next month. I don't have none, and sold all of them. The last time I attended an Exmont, I actually got scammed. So I probably don't do trades or sell anymore. I'm not sure with that. So yeah, just if you have a question or something, just hit me up. So yeah, thanks.